Hi, Ruben Swartz, Mimiran founder here. I'm going to show you how to set up a lead magnet in Mimiran. So if you're logged into Mimiran, you can see over on the left, you've got your lead magnets and you've got a sample lead magnet already created for you. I'm going to click edit here and get started. Give it a name. If you're unsure about ideas for a lead magnet, you can grab a list of 22 concepts for lead magnets at mimiran.com. But generally think about something that's going to be useful to your audience. Now I'm going to allow people to create and send this automatically because I want to use it as a lead magnet. I'm not going to require a signature, and at the end let's just say let's talk. We won't have an accept URL, but if you've got a thank you page or somewhere else that you want to send people after they go through this, you can. Let's save and continue to the content. You can see it's automatically populated our logo and a date, and now we can go in and start editing. So let's go in and add some actual content here. If you've got some content in another place, we can use that. Or we can just bring it in and type it here. We can use images, we can embed video, but for right now, let's just keep things really simple. And let's change the name. And we can set the background color here if we want. Maybe we want to keep going with this sort of space theme. There we go, that's got a nice feel to it. And then let's go ahead and edit the bio. And let's add a picture. Get rid of this stuff. Great. Now obviously we could make this much more sophisticated, add a lot more content, make it look fancier, but for right now, let's just focus on adding it to a website. So I'm going to click to add a new lead capture widget. And we're going to, instead of displaying a form on a page, we want to display a button. So what do we want that button to say? And then we can ask for different fields on the form that's going to pop up in place. So the visitor's not going to see a form when they get there. Just after they click the button, they're always going to get asked for an email. We'll make phone number optional and we'll leave the rest of it unavailable. And then we can customize the response. We can take people to a thank you page or straight to the content. From a visitor's perspective, it's often nice to go straight to the content, though from our perspective, sometimes we want to make sure we get a good email. But for right now, we'll just leave it as is. Click OK. And all I need to do is take this embed code and stick it in my website where I want it to appear, on a page, on a post, in a widget, so on and so forth. And if you click on the preview, you can see it's going to pop up a little button, a little form right there in the page. We could go in and customize all the colors and sizes and so on, but for right now we'll leave it as is and just go ahead and add that to our website.